So, how do you copy your profile link on eBay Mobile? So, to start off, let's open up the eBay application. Now, here we just need to head over to My eBay down below. Now, here you need to just click on your account. So, click on your profile here. Now, as you can see, we can see our profile, we can edit it and such. Now, if you want to copy your profile, you just need to click on the top, this three, these three dots with the line. You just need to click on the copy. So after clicking the copy, your profile link is now copied. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.